Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into advanced car battery health checks, moving beyond simple voltage readings to truly understand your battery's condition. We'll explore two crucial diagnostic methods: specific gravity and impedance testing. These techniques offer a much clearer picture of your battery's internal state, helping you prevent unexpected breakdowns and extend its lifespan. Many drivers rely solely on a multimeter to check their battery voltage, assuming anything above 12.6 volts means a healthy battery. While voltage is a good indicator of charge, it doesn't reveal much about the battery's capacity to deliver current, or its internal resistance. A battery can show good voltage but still be on its last legs, struggling under load. That's where specific gravity testing comes in, especially for conventional flooded lead-acid batteries. This method directly measures the concentration of sulfuric acid in each cell's electrolyte. Since the electrolyte becomes denser with more sulfuric acid and less water as the battery charges, specific gravity gives us a direct indication of the state of charge for each individual cell. Specific gravity is essentially a ratio comparing the density of a liquid to the density of water. In a battery, a higher specific gravity indicates a stronger concentration of sulfuric acid, which directly correlates to a higher state of charge and overall health for that particular cell. If one cell's specific gravity is significantly lower than the others, it points to a problem within that specific cell. To perform a specific gravity test, you'll need a hydrometer, which is an inexpensive tool readily available at most auto parts stores. Safety is paramount. Always wear eye protection and chemical-resistant gloves when working with battery acid, as it is corrosive. Ensure you're in a well-ventilated area to avoid inhaling fumes. Before testing, make sure the battery is fully charged for the most accurate readings. Remove the vent caps from each cell. Submerge the hydrometer's tube into the first cell. Squeeze the bulb to draw in enough electrolyte to make the float rise freely. Read the scale at the level of the electrolyte. Repeat this process for all 6 cells, being careful not to spill any acid. Interpreting the readings is straightforward. A fully charged lead-acid battery should show a specific gravity of approximately 1.265 to 1.275 at room temperature across all cells. Readings significantly below 1.225 indicate a low state of charge or a weakened cell. A difference of more than 0.050 between cells suggests a failing cell or sulfation issues. Inconsistent specific gravity readings often point to underlying problems like sulfation, where lead sulfate crystals build up on the battery plates, impeding chemical reactions. It can also indicate an internal short circuit in a cell or simply a battery that isn't fully charging. Identifying these issues early can sometimes allow for reconditioning or prevent further damage. It's important to note the limitations of specific gravity testing. It is only suitable for conventional flooded lead-acid batteries where you can access the electrolyte. It cannot be used on sealed maintenance-free, gel, or AGM batteries, as their cells are not accessible. For these modern battery types, we turn to impedance testing for accurate health assessment. This brings us to impedance testing, a modern and non-invasive diagnostic method that works on all types of lead-acid batteries, including sealed units. Impedance testing measures the battery's internal resistance, which is a key indicator of its ability to deliver current and overall health. As a battery ages or degrades, its internal resistance increases. What exactly is impedance? In simple terms, it's the total opposition an electrical circuit presents to current when a voltage is applied, and it includes both resistance and reactance. For a battery, higher internal impedance means it struggles more to deliver power, leading to reduced cranking power and diminished overall performance, even if the voltage appears normal. To perform an impedance test, you'll need a dedicated battery impedance tester. These devices are more sophisticated than a simple multimeter and are designed to inject a small AC signal into the battery to measure its response. Modern testers are often digital and provide clear readings of impedance, and sometimes even an estimated CCA. The testing process is typically quite simple. With the engine off and accessories turned off, connect the positive and negative clamps of the impedance tester to the corresponding battery terminals. Follow the specific instructions for your tester, which usually involves selecting the battery type and its rated CCA. The device will then display the impedance reading and often a pass/fail indication. Interpreting impedance readings usually involves comparing the measured value to the battery's original specifications, often found on the battery label itself, particularly its rated cold cranking amps. Higher impedance values indicate a weaker battery. For instance, a battery with significantly higher internal impedance than its new condition will struggle to provide the necessary cranking amps, even if its voltage reads fine. So, which method is better? Both specific gravity and impedance testing offer valuable insights. Specific gravity provides a granular, cell-by-cell chemical analysis for flooded batteries, directly showing state of charge and electrolyte condition. Impedance testing, on the other hand, gives an overall electrical health assessment, measuring the battery's ability to perform under load, applicable to all lead-acid types. For the most comprehensive understanding of your car battery's health, combining these advanced testing methods is ideal when possible. Use specific gravity for your conventional flooded batteries to pinpoint individual cell issues, and always use impedance testing, particularly for sealed batteries, to gauge the overall electrical integrity. Regular use of these techniques will extend your battery's life and ensure reliable starts.